Hey everyone, this is Peter with at&t, and in this video we're going to be reviewing two other software titles by Androids. In the past we reviewed Cocktail Frenzy, and in this video we're going to be looking at Doodle Match Lite and Jumpy Egg Free. Both of these versions are available as paid versions without ads and with more levels and features and support. So let's first go into the Jumpy Egg to show you what this app is like. This is going to be very similar to the cow and aliens app where you have a cow bouncing up, except in this one the egg doesn't bounce automatically. It only bounces or jumps when you press the screen. So you'll load up like this, and essentially you just want to get it into each basket, and the closer to the center you get it in the basket, then you get a perfect. Let's see if I can manage one of those. So great, so I kind of got it in on the side there. And again, you just do this all the way to the top to get into the main egg, or the main, there you go. So there's a perfect 3 stars. You get a score, you have a countdown timer. If you miss, well, yeah, let me miss. So you can't go back into the basket, then it plays a little oh no sound and you lose a life. And essentially what you want to do is you want to get all the way up to the top where the master nest is, and the whole game is taking it from an egg into a full-grown bird. Eventually the eggs crack and the feet come out, and so on and so forth. So a fun little app to waste time if you're in waiting rooms or anything like that. You can turn the sound off so it's silent in that sense, and then it just runs you through a little demo of what to do. So that is Jumpy Egg. Now going into Doodle Match Lite. Again, both of these titles are by the Android software team. So in this one it has a simple rundown of how to play. Going into, again, you can have the sound off and continue, so I'll just continue where I left off. So the point of the game is to essentially shuffle around this board to get lines of 3 or 4 pictures in a row to then fulfill your goals on the bottom. So the top row is you on the bottom row is AI. The X in the orange just means that you need to get a match in that sense, and then the X3 and the X4 just means you need 3 in a row or 4 in a row. The next icons that are going to be on the screen are on the right hand side that filter in, kind of like Tetris, and then when you push an arrow it moves the whole screen around, and then the AI goes into play. So again, the point of the app is just to move around these icons until you get a 3 in a row, and then your countdown goes down. Once you get into this kind of a screen, you can either drop one from above, or if you push one from the side, it pushes it out and drops it down. So there is some strategy to it. The computer is playing against you. If he gets to 0 in his goals first, then he wins. And again, pretty fun app just to waste the time on the side, and you can also play against people. Not in these apps, in other Androids apps there's a multiplayer bounce thing. And yeah, so these are two great apps by the Androids team, same as the Cocktail Frenzy as before. If you have any questions, ask us in the comment. Otherwise, head to the marketplace and download these great apps now. Thanks.